Hey guys, today on the channel I'm going to show you how to remove recommendations in TikTok or ones that you might like. To do that, we go to the three dots, tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Notifications. Here we can see what we have. There's a topic here called Post Recommendations. I've already scrolled through it. I'll find it now. Here it is. Let's go in here. And here's the toggle. We just turn it off so nothing comes through to us. Next, we can clear the cache. Scroll to the very bottom, tap Free Up Space and clear the cache. Done. Next, go back to Settings. There. Tap on Discover, tap on Search, and tap Clear All History. And we tap Clear. That's it. I'm Veller, and I was with you. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.